Once upon a time, in a lush green kingdom filled with wildflowers and singing birds, there lived a gentle princess named Elara, loved by everyone. Her dress shimmered like sunlight, but her heart was even brighter. Every morning, Elara sneaked past the guards and raced through the dew-covered grass to her secret garden. There she sang to the bees and told stories to the butterflies. The garden was her tiny kingdom of joy. One morning, Elara heard whispers about a magical waterfall guarded by a lonely dragon. No one dared to go there, but Elara felt something different. Not fear, but a gentle wish to understand. She packed her satchel with honey cakes and a silver flute and set out beneath the dappled sunlight. The forest seemed to whisper, "Welcome, brave heart." Fairies danced above, sprinkling light on her path as the forest welcomed her. At last she found the waterfall, and beside it, the lonely dragon Brindle. Gathering her courage, Elara curtsied and said,
"I brought honey cakes if you'd like to share."
The dragon blinked in wonder. No one has ever spoken to him kindly before. Side by side, they shared the honey cakes and stories. Brindle's deep laugh echoed through the forest for the first time in centuries. The princess had found a friend. Next day, as sunset painted the sky, Elara played her silver flute. Brindle closed his eyes, smiling, and even the waterfall seemed to sway with the music. When night fell, Elara grew tired. Brindle spread his wings like a canopy, keeping her warm as she slept beneath the stars. For the first time, neither felt alone. Word spread quickly. The dragon was gentle. Children ran to play by the waterfall. Villagers brought flowers. Fear turned into friendship, and the forest rang with laughter. The king and queen came in awe. Brindle bowed low, and the queen offered him golden honeycomb. The king smiled at his daughter and knew that kindness had done what fear never could. Years passed, and seasons danced around them. In spring, they played under cherry blossoms. In summer shimmered bright. Laughter danced across the water as friendship grew stronger. And when winter came, even the cold could not silence the warmth of their friendship. In autumn painted their world in fire and gold, yet their laughter kept it brighter still. Years passed, and the kingdom flourished with peace. On quiet nights beneath the northern lights, Queen Elara and Brindle watched the stars. "Your kindness changed everything," she whispered. The dragon smiled, and their friendship became legend, a light that will never fade.